Number blocks, powers of 2 and 3. Power of 2. 2 power 0 equals 1. 2 power 1 equals 2. 2 power 2 equals 4. 2 power 3 equals 8. 2 power 4 equals 16. 2 power 5 equals 32. 2 power 6 equals 64. 2 power 7 equals 128. 2 power 8 equals 256. 2 power 9 equals 512. 2 power 10 equals 1024. Power of 3. 3 power 0 equals 1. 3 power 1 equals 3. 3 power 2 equals 9. 3 power 3 equals 27. 3 power 4 equals 81. 3 power 5 equals 243. 3 power 6 equals 729. 3 power 7 equals 2187. 3 power 8 equals 6561. 3 power 9 equals 19,683. 3 power 10 equals 59,049. Let's understand it. Powers in math. In math, powers show us how many times a number is multiplied by itself. A power has two parts: the base, the number we are multiplying; the exponent, how many times we multiplied the base. For example, 2 power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Similarly with 3 as well. Hope you like the video. Bye.